Hi. I'm Dark Ratchet. And today, I am going to pretend to be the airport security officer. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, you with the bag and crown and you with the green hat. No stuff allowed.
Hey! What are you talking about? You can't do stuff like that.
Oh yes I can. I am the airport security officer. Now get out of here.
You know what? Fine. Come on, Princess Daisy. Let's go to the gym for a workout.
Okay.
Wow, Pinkie Pie. These are good donuts.
I know. These are good. Let's.
Hey Sunset Shimmer and Pinkie Pie. What are you doing with the donuts? You can't eat here.
Hey! What were you thinking? We can eat donuts whenever we want.
No. You can't eat donuts. It's against the rules. Now get out of here before I call the police.
You can't tell us what to do. We can eat.
Oh yes I can. Now get out of here.
If you tell us to get out of here one more time, you will be banned from the airport.
Get out of here. Right now. I don't need you right now.
Come on, Pinkie Pie. Let's go somewhere else to have our donuts.
Yeah, I know. Let's go somewhere else to have our donuts.
Hello. We would like one flight to Toronto, Ontario, Canada, please.
No. You guys get out of here right now.
Oh my God. Dark Ratchet. How dare you pretend to be the airport security officer? That's it.
The security guard will ban you from the airport right now.
Dark Ratchet. How dare you pretend to be the airport security officer? That's it. You are banned from the airport for life. Go home now.
Dark Ratchet, how dare you pretend to be an airport security officer and get banned from the airport for life?
That's it.
You are grounded for 45 weeks.
Now go to your room right now.
Bye.